Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to send a SMS using Termux. Before sending the SMS, you need to add two things. First one is I'm going to open up my Play Store and type Termux API. Termux API is an application which will give interaction between the other applications. And next, second one is apt install Termux API. This I'm going to do it later. Coming back to my Termux application, now typing apt update. So why I'm doing this update again and again is if there is any package has been updated, it gets installed on my Termux. And next typing apt install Termux API. Similarly, this also gets updated. And next, sending SMS to your phone or your friend's phone. And now I'm going to type a simple command, that is Termux SMS send. Here you need to add your number and next what the message you are going to send. Here I'm typing my number and hello world. Then pressing enter. Okay, now the SMS has been sent. I'm going to wait for a while. I'm going to get a notification of an SMS. So here we got the notification of my SMS. The SMS says that hello world. So this is how we are going to use Termux application to send a SMS to your phone number or your friend's phone number. That's all in this video. Thank you.